These Barbary macaques enjoyed a summer of plenty, but now they're paying the price. Winter here can be brutal. They spread out, searching for food. But each night, the group return to huddle in the cedar trees. No one wants to be left out, especially the infants. This baby, somehow, has got separated. He must get back to the life-saving warmth of the huddle, and soon. But there is an obstacle. A grumpy male is giving the baby a rather cold shoulder. Maybe a more subtle approach. The male decides to leave. At last, an enthusiastic reception. The male has had less luck. It could be a long night. Huddling might seem a simple expression of affection, but among these macaques, it's essential for survival.